How to set the maximum image size to upload image in Django-Ckeditor. I am using Django-Ckeditor for my project to upload image along with text content. I used body equals rid text uploading field, blank equals true, null equals true, in model. Now I want to restrict the user to upload large size images and content or larger than predefined maximum height, width. I want the uploaded images and content of particular height, weight and size like less than 1 MB. How can I predefine maximum image height and width as well as maximum image size limit? Is there any way to define it from Django-Ckeditor configuration? Or how to resize the uploaded images from content at backend after user submitted the form? Here is my models.py. I tried a lot to solve it but failed. Any suggestion to solve the issue? Thanks in advance.
I think there should be a way to resize the picture on uploading. But to be honest, I didn't find nor in documentation neither by debugging. However, I can suggest you a workaround to post-process all the images inside the content upon saving of post model. Models.py. The solution is not super nice because it resizes picture only after it was uploaded. Probably the library itself should have some kind of exit point callback for image pre-processing when uploaded.
You can set Ckeditor_thumbnail_size in setting.py. With the pillow backend, you can change the thumbnail size with the Ckeditor_thumbnail_size setting, formerly thumbnail_size. Default value, 75. With the pillow backend, you can convert and compress the uploaded images to JPEG, to save disk space. Set the Ckeditor_force_JPEG_compression setting to true, default false. You can change the Ckeditor_image_quality setting, formerly image_quality, which is passed to pillow. The image quality, on a scale from 1, worst, to 95, best. The default is 75. Values above 95 should be avoided. 100 disables portions of ThJPEG compression algorithm and results in large files with hardly any gain in image quality. This feature is disabled for animated images. Check official doc. This URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.